PlanetTogether has an easy way to adjust an order quantity, which may be needed in case there's a change in the quantity or a quantity discrepancy. If you change the order quantity in PlanetTogether, the quantity does not automatically change in the origin application. If the origin application still has the old quantity, you should also change it there, or the information in PlanetTogether will revert on the next data push. First, click on the Jobs view, which you can do by clicking on the Views drop-down and selecting Jobs. Or, if it's already open, on the bottom left, you can select the Jobs View tab. Then search for your order. Select it. You can either double-click here to open the order, or click the Find button to find it on the Gantt view. Then you can double-click the order from here. Either way, it will take you to the same order properties window. From here, in the bottom half of the screen, you'll notice Manufacturing Orders. Click on that tab. In the required quantity, this is where you make your adjustment. Just double-click in here, put in the changed quantity, and then click Save and Close. PlanetTogether automatically makes the adjustment.